Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the markets. Currently 4:17 p.m. May 3rd, 2021, Monday, first day of trading in May. Hope you guys did well. I did okay. Anyway, make sure you subscribe if you're new, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. Yeah, I say it like that because it was one of those long days where I was in some good stuff, I was in some bad stuff. I'm just not feeling it. I don't know what's going on. I'm just not feeling the when I get in this trade, and is it mental? Should I get out? And I'm just kind of pushing the buttons today. I didn't over trade. We had the markets up on the Dow. Nasdaq was down. Stocks like Tesla and Amazon were down, and GME, Nvidia, with MRNA making a move. And that was, I think, what really got me a little frustrated today was MRNA. Because I'll bring up my little thing here. I was up $64 today. I'll talk about MRNA first. I got in on a trade that with 300 shares on MRNA, actually I lost a second trade, so I was up like $100 on MRNA. And it went up 4 points when I got in it. And I don't know why I got out of it completely. It should have been a monster trade for me. And I was just soft on it and just took my gains, which is fine. And then I tried getting in probably in some garbage here. Let's go through Tesla. I'm just not going to trade it for a while until it has like a really nice. It was on a down day. I thought it would reverse, and that was just a mistake. I shouldn't have been looking at Tesla. ISNS. A couple things about ISNS. I was looking for a pullback on it at 240, which breaks my rules of not trading between 11:30 and 3. It worked, just got in a little too early and got chopped out of it and lost a few bucks on it. And then the afters, I knew like 11:50 here, and it closed at 11:30, and I didn't realize it had earnings. So that's one thing. So 11:50 was the price point for an after hours trade, and guess what? 11:50 breaks and shoots up to 13. I got in with 200 shares, but I only got filled on 25. Just jumped me and ran up. I kind of just closed it out for a small gain because I didn't get my full fill, and it ran up to 13. And then right around 12, earnings came out and just shot it down completely. So then I stopped looking at it. But ISNS was very active today, 36 million traded. KSS, I don't remember what I did on that. It was a news event. I got in a little late. Boeing, just stupid. Penn was a little bit of a news event. Twitter was probably my miss. Probably could have gone on this one on the news event here. I was in another trade, but actually when I looked over at Twitter, it was already up at like 54.5. I don't know if the news all came out at once from like my three sources. So it was like, but I don't really know because I was in a different trade, which kind of took my eyes off of it. OCGN was kind of like a pop off or a pullback. Again, MRNA. Disney, markets are turning up, and I kind of got on this move here on this little pullback on a smaller time frame. So that worked out pretty good. RHE had a nice pullback here, and I kind of got on a flushing move and got out on this candle here, even though it went completely further up. Tough trader though, can get spready, and moves around, wiggles around. 70 million traded. Oh, there's my. And then we'll talk about BTX. So BTX, I was up $150, I was down $150, and here it is. I was going to take it through 79. Actually, on my other screen here, you can see I'm ready to order 79 limit, small shares, and it just busted through 79 and went to 81.46. This time of my day, it's just not catching the good stuff, man. Just not catching the good stuff, and I'm paying the price for it. And I made $64 today. Let's bring up I'll show you my day. I'm not frustrated or anything. I'm just it's a long day of not making money or whatever. I was up, then I was down, then I was up, and then I was down again late in the day, and I fought back and got up to kind of like that 65 level, but I was up 100 and 70 bucks. And I thought I was going to run this up. Once I took this trade, whatever it was, I was going to make my push. Here goes BTX though. Just a tough trader, like really risky. I traded one side with 100 shares, the other side with 200 shares. Then only in the afters I was going to do 50, and that would have really worked out. Would have gone 3 points. Wasn't looking for big money there. Just, maintaining my risk. Really tough trader again. So I decided to just, keep it small. And we'll see what happens tomorrow. The daily looks crazy right now. So I have a feeling tomorrow will be like an inside day, or it'll drop off a bit. But you'll never know. I forgot to mute Benzinga. Still spilling out the news on me. But again, I hope you guys had a good weekend. I'm looking to continue this week strong and hopefully pick it up a little bit better than today. Even though I was up today, I feel like I could have traded a lot better, avoiding like a Tesla trade. And, the BTX, again, those are the really tough ones, and I probably shouldn't be trading it, and I'm probably going to get yelled at for trading it. But at the same time, the setups were there. 72 was the call from a different group, and it just ripped from 72 and never underwater. I was looking for areas on this candle here. I remember these are 5 minutes, but that's a different story. You guys take care. Make sure you subscribe if you're new, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. Have a good night.